Hey there everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another video on Python regular expressions, and in this video we're going to discuss about the search function. So the search function, it is similar to the match, but you can use the search function to match the patterns which are in between the lines also, but the match cannot do that. We'll see about that in the example in the future, but for now let's just talk about search. So as usual, you import re, okay, and for the search similarly it gives you back an object. So why just type and waste your time? Just copy this and paste it here. So here's the str. Let's just turn it back into Python, and re obj equals to re dot search, because everything is going to remain the same. And there's this raw string, okay, Python, okay, this is the thing which is going to be searched in this, and str is the actual line in which we're going to search it. And if re obj print pattern found and group, let's see whether it works. Remember, right click and regex. So pattern found Python, that is good. But what if we had Python is awesome, save, and when you hit run it is going to tell that Python is found. But let's just come back to match and write the same thing, Python is awesome. And to your surprise, when I hit regex, sorry for the confusion, all of this is unnecessary for this tutorial. Save and run it. It is going to tell pattern not found, right? The Python is present here, but still the match function is telling the pattern is not found. That is because I told you match function checks only the beginning of the line, but the same thing when used with search, it searches in between the lines too, right? So that is the only basic difference between search and match. In the other groupings and all, it just remains the same thing. We could use it with search and it's going to yield good expected results. If you want, let's just try that too. Okay, let's just uncomment this Batman. Okay, and let's just search search pattern, and this is the flag. Again, the flag remains the same. Save and right click, run regex 3. It is going to tell better than Superman, and the same damn output. So this is the way in which you use match and search. So in the next tutorial probably we are going to study about how you could search for a few things and replace them. It is going to be pretty much useful and short. See you there.